Good morning, everybody. It's Matt, Serenity Haven Homestead. Let the chickens out for a little bit in the late evening. I got two escaped when I was giving them water. And I figured, what the heck? Got time and everything. Let them work over the garden spot a little bit. And then up on the hill, through there and to there, got a group of 4 deer browsing and eating and moving. There's probably a few more over in there, but I've at least counted 4. But we got these girls out here just doing their thing. They can easily jump and fly over this fence without nary a notion or an effort. So this is nothing for them. This just kind of keeps them in. Hi, honey. But sitting here counting all the chickens, see exactly how many I have. I have 5 of the black astrolorps, 2 of the barred rock over here, 1 leghorn female, 1 leghorn rooster, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of the multicolors. Anyway, Nathaniel's coming back home from his mom. Talk to you later. Like, share, subscribe.